Alright, we're back here at the farmhouse flip. We got the man van. Yeah, buddy! Hey, watch it, boy. We got Porter. He's cool.
Yeah, I go chainsaw that.
He's gonna do some chainsaw work. I'll show you what we did. We deconstructed the makeshift play set here. We had to cut down some huge broken limbs.
Yeah, I got all those.
And we just attached the swing set to the tree because, that's kind of what they did, huh?
But I did all these thorns. Yeah.
And there was some, these are the thorns we tried to pull out with the ATV and it was a fail. We're gonna do something with this.
I did all that one down now.
Porter got all those thorns, that huge pile. So we got some cleanup to do. This is what happened to the tree edge. And we got this sweet swing here.
It's a little bit too high.
Oh, that's the best, bub. Yeah, buddy. All right, Port, let's show them how you chainsaw it up, bub.
Time lapse or no, Bob?
No, not yet. We'll do a time lapse in a little bit once we get started, okay? That was a great idea by me, huh? Yay!
Yay!
The wind will probably blow it right on over, but maybe not. Ooh, there we go. Chainsaw, bubs. Alright, let's get our work done, bub. I'll get them trimmed for you.
Dad, you could probably do the pile right here.
I got it right here. We can start.